Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be testing Windows 7 build 6801. So this build was compiled on September 13th, 2008, and I'm going to be showing you how to install it in Virtualbox. So what you want to do first is you want to click on New. You want to call it Windows 7 build 6801 or anything. You can call it anything. Next, you want to insert the ISO image. And I'll have a link to the ISO image in the description. I'm going to set that to ultimate. Skip unattended setup. Next, I'm going to give it about 4 gigs of RAM. I'm going to give it 160 gigabytes of storage. Like this. And I'm going to click next. Finish. And then we're going to start it. And I'll be back after it starts up, I guess. So, as you can see, it's starting here. And yeah, let's just wait for it again. Just on this black screen right now. And I'll be back after it loads. Well, never mind, it's loading, I guess, so we're not going to skip anything. Well, at least the resolution got bigger. Oh, yeah, there we go. So this is the boring Windows Vista loading animation. It's very boring. Yeah, it's super boring. The good thing they changed it in Windows 7, or else I would probably be mad. So yeah, I'll be back after it loads again. So as you can see, I got this again, and this is the Windows 7 setup background. So yeah. So as you can see right here, it says Windows 7. It doesn't say Windows Vista. It also has a different setup background because Windows Vista was different. So I'm gonna click on Next because this is correct. Install now. It still says please wait. In Windows 7 it would say setup is starting. And I mean, I guess we should just wait. Alright, so I'll be back when something happens. Alright, here we go. We are on the please read license terms thing. And also, what is this? Why is this here? Okay. So I'm just gonna accept the license terms. Next. Custom, because there's no version of Windows installed. And yeah, we're just gonna install it here, but and and this is taking forever. And as you can see, it says installing Windows and it's copying files right now. So I'll be back after whatever the heck it's doing right now is done. So yeah. As you can see, it is 65% done expanding files. Alright, so we're back and now it's doing the setup is starting services thing. As you can see right here. And now we wait again. Cause yes. Alright, so it's been a day since the last clip. Uh, so yeah, we're back. And as you can see, it's currently completing the installation. Why is it not? It's not like. So now it's currently completing the installation. For some reason, the virtual machine is lagging. I don't know why, but yeah, it's just lagging. But as you can see, it's completing the installation. So hopefully, it will finish the installation soon. And then it will have to restart, and then we'll get to the out-of-box experience. So I'll be back when it restarts. Alright, so as you can, alright, so it's restarting, and and don't press any key on the DVD. Just don't. And it's restarting here. And as you can see, we got this epic starting Windows thing. Just wait a while. It's gonna do the cool animation. There we go. There's a cool animation thing. So I'll be back after the virtual machine starts again. Setup is checking video performance. So yeah, it's basically the starting Windows animation, but it's green. Yeah, I'll be back after it finishes that. Alright, so we're back, and this is a Windows 7 OOBE. So type in our name here, root wicked Z. I'm gonna call this Win 76801. No, Win 7 Build 6801. Next, and let's not enter a password, cause no. Let's click next for the product key. Ask me later. So no, I'm not gonna set it in 2024. I'm gonna go back to 2008, September 13th, and next, home network. And we should wait a while because it's gonna connect to the internet. Oh, look, home group. We're gonna skip this, and it should do this Windows 7 Ultimate thing. So I'll be back after it logs us in. Alright, so we're logged in here, and as you can see, we have the send feedback button, and we have a build string over here that says Windows 7 build 6801. Still have the Windows Vista stuff, like this stuff, but I'm gonna get Virtualbox guest editions installed real quick. So I'll be back after it's installed. Also, for some reason, it's showing the old Windows cursor instead of the new one, because it changed in Windows Vista, but it's still showing the old one for some reason. I don't know why. Alright, we're restarting here, and hopefully we don't get a blue screen. And yes, I'm also recording to see what happens. So there we go, we've got the starting Windows thing. And we've got the animation. The animation. And there we go, we got a blue screen of death right there. Yeah, that was fast. So look, we're gonna restart again. It's going to we're gonna start Windows normally. If we start Windows normally again, if we start it normally again, this is what's gonna happen. So it's gonna load the starting Windows thing, and it's gonna do the animation again. And there we go, we got blue screened again. So yeah, this happened the last time I tried to do this, but yeah, that's pretty bad. So we're just going to start up in. We're gonna start it in this, and it's gonna start up and start, and it's gonna boot into startup repair because yeah. So yeah, I'll be back after something interesting happens. All right, so we're back after reinstalling Windows because yes, it wasn't crashing, and also the audio wasn't there. So I'm not going to record audio because I'm lazy. And so now what we gotta do? We're in here. Now let's get Bluepill. Let's get Bluepill installed. So I'm gonna put in the Bluepill um, DVD plus ISO. I'll have the link in the description for both the the build, the build CD and Bluepill. I'll have both of the ISOs in there. So we're going to run Bluepill. Yeah, we'll run it. We're still in the Windows Vista wallpaper though. So we're gonna install Bluepill, and now we're gonna log off and log back on. So we're just going to log off real quick. Log off. and log back on. And as you can see, now we are back. This is kind of glitching. But yeah, we have this now, and we now have everything working. We have Internet Explorer and stuff. So we got the Windows 7 taskbar, the giant Windows 7 taskbar. Here you can move it around. You can make it bigger or smaller, however you like. And we're still on Internet Explorer 8, which I think is Windows 7's version of Internet Explorer. Okay, there we go. We'll try going to google.com. It can't even go to google.com. That's crazy. Oh, we can use Bing. Takes you to Bing now. And yeah, it's not gonna load Google. Yeah, it won't. Close all tabs. So yeah, that's basically exploring Windows 7 build 6801. Basically it. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.